Hey everyone, I'm excited to share our latest release at EnlightenAI, which is around student differentiation and accommodations. One of the big challenges that teachers and school leaders have brought to us is that students accessing the feedback is paramount, but different students will need different levels of support in order to do that. So some students may need the feedback read aloud to them in order to access it fully. Others may need it produced at a slightly lower reading level if they're a struggling reader. Still others may need the feedback to be translated into their home language. And previously, this was relatively difficult to do. There were some workarounds teachers were using, but now with a few clicks, you can really differentiate for students seamlessly. Let's see what that looks like by going to a course. So over here on the left-hand side of my home dashboard, I have my courses or classes panel. I'm going to click on Humanities 9, Period 2, and I'm going to come up here to the Students tab. Now this is probably not somewhere you've been before much because there wasn't much here, but there is a lot more now. So if I come over to a student, you can see I've already toggled on some accommodations for this one, Bella Brave. Now this is a fictional 8th grade class, but as you see when I come over to the Actions menu and click Manage, I've set Bella Brave's reading level for the feedback to be written at a 5th grade level. So the assignment is still at an 8th grade level, but Bella's feedback level is going to be at a 5th grade level so that they can access it. In addition, I've turned on translation to the home language of Spanish, and I have a menu of options to choose from there. I've also toggled on read aloud for Bella Brave. So I can preview this here, but I've actually already submitted one submission on the immediate feedback side for Bella. So let's take a look at that student side. So here I've submitted my first submission for this fictional student, Bella Brave, for whom we've implemented some accommodations. And so previously, Bella would get the feedback at an 8th grade level, and some of these other tools were not there. But now, Bella can seamlessly switch between, let's go to the shorter version here, to Spanish. And so we've got the feedback translated into Spanish. And that feedback can be read aloud in either language. So we'll do Spanish first.
Intenta explicar un poco más cómo tu evidencia se conecta.
And we can go back to English seamlessly and also have the feedback read in English. As Bella goes round to round, these supports we hope will just help this student and many more to be able to access the feedback, implement it, and ultimately make this a richer revision experience that meets students at their level and helps them grow and accelerate that growth quickly. So we're excited for you to use this, for you to test it out, for you to give us feedback and figure out what is the next really sharp thing for us to implement based on your feedback. So thanks for your partnership on this and looking forward to hearing from you.